As always, we can expect a lot from BASF at the K, not only at the K, but also at the K. What do you bring to the K this time? It's something very special.
Actually, it is, yeah. We're putting K 2019 under the theme of empowering the future together. Empowering the future means creating a better living for all of us, a more sustainable future, and we're showing a lot of new materials, but also new approaches in terms of product development and in working together with our customers.
Can you give us a little bit more details about what you're talking about? What can people expect?
I mean, one big topic which is certainly driving the whole industry is digitalization. And what we have just recently announced is that we will establish 4 so-called creation centers worldwide. Creation centers are places where we basically digitalize the whole product development process, from the first inspiration to a completely digital and virtual workshop environment, through optimization of the material and of the part until prototype building.
Is it hard to fit together digitalization and sustainability and new materials? Is that like a hard process to fit into one mold?
Actually not. I think it's something which is very closely linked together naturally, because in order to come up with the right concepts for circular economy, for example, for end-of-life approaches, you need data. Yeah, and that's what comes in with digitalization. And you also need a deep knowledge, and that's getting more and more important, a deep knowledge of chemistry. This is getting more important when I compare K 2016, which was all about materials, enabling a better living for all of us, to K 2019. I think this is something of a small paradigm change, and I think we're in a very good position to tackle that.
If you compare 2016 to 2019, we have to say that the industry is unfortunately not doing as well as it was doing in 2016. How are you dealing with that problem as a company?
I mean, we're part of the industry, so we also feel the downturn in some of our customer industries, for example, in the automotive industry. That's clear. BASF has announced and communicated that 2019 for us will be a so-called transition year, where we will reorganize the company, reshape processes in order to get more efficiency and more effectiveness to our customers. So I think we will see a slow move uphill again in 2019, and I think K 2019 could be a very good kickoff for that development.
Is it hard to convince customers that rubber and plastic should actually have a much better reputation than it has?
I think you have to differentiate a little bit between customers, people that are actually using our products to develop their products. I don't think we have a huge kind of image problem with plastics when it comes to this group, because they know that plastics are essential in order to develop better products, lighter products, more sustainable products. I think the challenge is more in the public image. I think what we as an industry can do here and as companies is educate, deliver facts based on science. This is very important. If you compare a lot of plastic materials in a lot of applications to the potential alternatives, plastic is the most sustainable choice. And I think we're also making good progress with the industry really taking a firm stand on the issue, acknowledging that we are also part of the problem. For example, by co-founding, as we just did in BASF, the Alliance to End Plastic Waste.
The K 2019 with BASF. Of course, they are there and presenting amazing things, and you should go and visit them. Thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you.